The HD Pro has a super wide 170-degree wide angle that lets you capture your whole field of vision. It has 2K HD video. The HD Pro has loop recording. 16 gigabytes will have about 1 hour of footage at max quality. It supports up to 64 gigabytes with a Class 10 memory card. Auto power on and off with power input is included, so you never have to turn it on. So today we're unboxing the Wheel Witness HD Pro Premium Dash Camera. When it arrives, it's in this great package. You remove it from the box, and installation is a breeze. You'll find that you have your HD camera right here in front. Remove that, and you'll see the additional packaging materials underneath. Included, we have your USB GPS unit. The camera is able to connect to GPS. You also have your adapter for power. You have your windshield mount. And we have additional mounting and a memory card. When your Wheel Witness HD Pro camera arrives, it will already have your mount attached to it. The memory card, micro SD, will arrive in the package as well. Open it up and you'll grab the smallest card for this one. There's also an SD adapter included in case you need it. If you have trouble inserting the memory card, you're able to use a penny or other small object to help get it into the slot. After you install the windshield mount, gently press to remove any air bubbles. On your HD dash cam, you'll flip the rotator arm up and simply slide it into the grip. You're then able to rotate the camera in any angle. It should move freely and the camera should feel stable. Next, we need to connect it to power. You'll take your power adapter, unpackage it, and you'll plug it into your vehicle. You'll know it's connected when it lights up with a dim blue light. Next, you'll take your USB adapter and you'll insert it into the B marked port. Gently push it in until it can't go any further. You're now ready to start recording with your HD dash cam by Wheel Witness.
Using the Salvery Popcorn Popper is super easy. First, expand the popcorn popper. Next, add 1/4 cup or fill to the bottom line with your favorite popcorn kernels. Next, place the lid loosely inside the bowl. Use the 2 handles to place in the microwave and cook for 2 to 4 minutes. Carefully remove the popcorn popper from the microwave and enjoy a healthy snack. Toppings optional. The Salvery Popcorn Popper features a collapsible, space-saving design, is made from food-grade silicone, is dishwasher safe, and comes in an assortment of colors. Salvery, traditional quality, modern design.
Hello, Chris Gray here, and I'm going to be reviewing a really cool Bluetooth headset from Amity. It's called the UFO Bluetooth headset. So this Bluetooth has a really interesting design. It actually goes into your ear and hooks over your ear just like this. And even though it looks a little bit cumbersome, it's actually extremely comfortable. And I've worn them for, I think, 12 hours straight. And actually, I forgot I had them on. Now, don't let the size intimidate you because the headset is extremely comfortable. And most of the bulk comes from the battery that rests in the back here. Now, the nice thing about having the larger battery is, of course, longer battery life. So you can talk for 8 hours or you can listen to music for 12 hours plus. That's right. I was actually listening to Audible for about 12 and a half hours before I actually had to charge this headset. So I'm very impressed with the battery life. The battery has 200-hour standby time, and to charge from 0 to full only takes about an hour or 2 to fully charge the headset. On the back of the battery is a USB port. And all you have to do is plug in the provided USB to micro USB cable into it. Also included in the kit are a couple of different earbud sizes. Now, these earbud sizes are for the headset itself. Also included this second battery. Now, the cool thing about having the second battery is you can now wear this headset on either the left or right side. And what's really cool about this is there's also a USB connector in the back, so obviously you can charge this battery as well. And thank you so much for checking out this video review of the UFO Bluetooth headset. If you like this Bluetooth headset and would like to give it a try, I think the price is right. So thank you again for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time for another.
You can install your and insert it into the discharge outlet. Tighten the two screws evenly. Step 5. Connect the garbage disposal to the mounting assembly. Guide the mount tabs into the mounting ring slots and turn the mounting ring to your right. Align the discharge elbow with the drain piping and connect them. Then insert a screwdriver into a mounting ring ear to make sure it's in the fully locked position. If there's a